I request Your Excellencies remain standing as we'll start with two anthems. We'll start with the Kenyan National Anthem, followed by the East African Anthem. The Kenyan National Anthem.
You may be seated, Your Excellencies. Let me make some introductory remarks. Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, Cabinet Secretaries, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great honor to stand before you today as we gather for this significant occasion, the official unveiling of Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga as Kenya's candidate for the chairmanship of the African Union Commission. Allow me to extend my profound appreciation to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya for his steadfast leadership and wavering support for Kenya's candidate in this critical continental endeavor. Today marks another milestone in Kenya's historic pursuit of the AUC chairmanship, a position that has the potential to reshape the trajectory of Africa's governance, integration, and development agenda. Over the past months, we have seen a relentless commitment to advancing Kenya's candidacy, driven by the determination of the candidate himself, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, whose seasoned leadership and Pan-African vision resonate deeply with Africa's collective aspirations. The Right Honorable Raila Odinga embodies the ideals of a people-centered, visionary leadership that the African Union Commission needs. He is a leader who has tirelessly championed the cause of African unity and progress, and unwavering espousing the principle of think Africa above all. His commitment to the ideals of the Agenda 2063, the Africa we want, is resolute, and his vision for an integrated, prosperous, and peaceful continent is one we fully support. There's a famous quote by the French philosopher Voltaire: "No problem can withstand the assault of sustained thinking." I believe this embodies Raila's approach to leadership. His intellect, his dedication to African integration, and his focus on unity and development are precisely what the African Union needs. As a long-standing Pan-Africanist, he has always espoused the idea that Africa must come first and that our continent's future lies in our ability to unite and act collectively. This candidacy, therefore, is not just a national mission. It is in many ways a continental one. Raila Odinga is not just Kenya's candidate, he is Africa's candidate, a man who holds fast to the dreams and hopes of millions of Africans who yearn for an integrated, prosperous, and peaceful continent. His candidature is rooted in the belief that Africa's progress must be driven by its people, for its people. To the African people, Kenya presents to you a candidate who will give the AU visibility and a deserving place in global discourse. One of the expected priorities is to take the African Union to the people and make it work for the citizens of Africa. Indeed, Honorable Raila is a Pan-Africanist who has emerged at the right time to drive Africa's transformation. I am proud to say that under the astute leadership of His Excellency the President, our foreign policy has taken giant strides, ensuring that Kenya remains a vital player on the continental and global stage. This unveiling today is a testament to that continued leadership and the confidence we have in Raila to carry this mantle forward. Our President has led this mission from the front, engaging with leaders across the continent to ensure that Kenya's candidate receives the endorsement and support necessary to secure this crucial position. Therefore, from today onwards, the candidate will intensify his continental engagements by traveling far and wide to present himself to the leadership of African states. As a ministry, we are the focal point for the candidate and our processes remain razor-sharp. I thank the staff at the Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, led by Principal Secretary Singoi, as well as the strategic team of Honorable Raila for the commendable progress so far. I stand here with full confidence that this candidacy will rally not only Kenya, but the entire continent behind a vision that promises unity, development, and a future where Africa stands tall on the globe. Your Excellencies, before I bring the candidate forward, there's a video, a very short one for 3 minutes, which will play, and then the candidate will be invited on the podium to make a few remarks.